made a partial comeback Tuesday after China indicated it would stabilize its currency. But today, they've weakened it again. Stocks bounced back after Monday's calamitous 767-point drop-off. The Dow gaining 311 points and the S&P closing up 1.3%, the first gain in 7 days. But there's anxiety today after China once again devalued the yuan. This despite a statement Tuesday from its central bank governor pledging not to use exchange rates for competitive purposes and to keep the Chinese currency at a reasonable and balanced level. Now it appears China is at it again, setting the rate just below 7 yuan to the dollar. Despite the uncertainty, the Trump administration says China is getting the worst of this trade war.
They're in poor shape economically. We're in great shape economically. And frankly, the biggest loser is China right now.
However, China's state-owned businesses are pledging not to buy U.S. agricultural products, putting the hurt on American farmers. The president took to Twitter saying, "Our great American farmers know that China will not be able to hurt them." Kudlow promises farmers will continue to get assistance from the White House.
Farmers have been great. They're patriots. They've backed us 100%.
China's aggressive action comes after the administration threatened to impose new tariffs on $300 billion of Chinese goods. Stephen Moore, an economist with the Heritage Foundation, says China has been abusing its trade relationship with the U.S. for decades, and it's getting worse every day.
They are engaged in all sorts of issues with respect to national security. They're stealing our intellectual property. They have not opened up their markets to our producers the way we've opened up our markets to them. So Trump is fighting the good fight here.
In the end, he believes the two sides will reach an agreement because China needs U.S. markets.
There's an old saying that Trump used to say that if we can't trade with China, we sneeze. If they can't trade with us, they catch pneumonia.
One issue that could blow up trade negotiations is if China carries out a military crackdown on the protests in Hong Kong. Tuesday, a Chinese official warned the protesters not to mistake China's patience for weakness. Charlene Aaron, CBN.